Yeah, hello everyone. So, thank you so much for following me, and thank you so much for hopping onto this channel, and thank you so much for sharing this channel with someone. If today is your first time of joining me on this channel, my name is Richard, and then I'm a first year PhD student studying information and communication at University of Tennessee. So today, I just quickly want to talk to you about how you can use generative AI platforms or AI technologies to reach out to your professor or to secure scholarship or to even search for schools abroad. So if you have just chanced on this video, I'm going to take you through the practical process on how you can um, use AI. So when I say AI, we have those that leverage on prompt engineering. I'm going to talk to you about, I'm going to show you how you can use it to look for school or to search for school. So you can stay with me because I'm taking you to the laptop and then we'll pick it up from there. All right. So see you. So much for making your time with me today to learn about how you can use AI to look for school applications. So today we are going to use Claude AI. So Claude AI and then Chat GTP, which is both of them are known as large language models. So we are going to use both of them to learn what we have to learn today. So first thing we want to do is that people want to ask, how do I search for schools abroad? And I have difficulty searching for schools abroad. So today we are just using AI to search for schools abroad. So what course do you want to study abroad? So right now, let's say um, which schools, okay, sorry, which schools in Canada that offers masters in general nursing. All right, so let's say today we are interested in general nursing program. So we want schools in Canada that offers masters in what, general nursing. So there, let's see what the AI is going to give us. So the cloud AI, you can get it from Apple Store. You can also get it on as a web-based software program, same as ChatGPT. So you can use either of them, and both of them are very helpful if you have to look for schools in abroad. All right, so I type in schools. So I type in which schools in Canada that offers masters in general nursing, and these are the what schools that are what showing up. All right, so that is the first thing. If you are looking for a school in Canada or you are looking for a school in other countries, you can say Australia, you can say UK, you can say USA. Just open this system, register with your email address or your account, and just type in your prompt. Okay, some of them, they will give you information that has been there for long. So it is your duty to go to the school's website next and read more. So right now, I'm going to search next to say, give me those of the schools that kind of provide what scholarship to their master's program in nursing. So give me those schools with what scholarships? It's scholarships for international students. International student. All right. So sometimes people ask, is Claude AI or is ChatGPT an app or what is it? So they now try to have a mobile app so you can download it from your Apple Store or your Google Play. But you can also just go to Google and type Claude AI, CLAUDE.ai, and then you have access to it. You can also so you can download it from Play Store, you can download it from Apple Store, and then you can just go to Google and also type it, and it gives you direct access. You just have to log in with your email address and then you are good to go. All right, so that is that one too. Yeah, so this is what some of the universities that provide what masters in nursing with what scholarship for international students. So if this works for you and then you feel like, oh, these are the universities that you are looking for, all you need to do is to copy the university, go to Google or go to the next tab and then check on it. But the next thing we can do is that I can say, give me links to these funding websites, all right, or to these funding, all right. So we can say, just give me links to these fundings, and AI is going to run through and then give you links to this for funding. But one thing you also have to know is that the AI is not 100%, but sometimes some of these basic things, it gives you what an answers. Okay, it gives you an answer. So when I click on this is what we are going to see at the end of the day. This is the scholarship. So you can read about it. If it works for you, then you proceed to what? Apply. So any of the universities at all, that is here, Western University, you click on it and then it will open a link for you. Then you can read about their program and their funding, admission requirement, just anything you want. You just have to what? Type it there. All right. So let's say University of Alberta, you click on it and then it will open on the next page and you can read about what they are funding and all those stuff. All right, so the next thing somebody wants to search for is this one, McGill University. This is the funding, so you can see that all of them have what the scholarship links and the link to the course. All right, the scholarship link, funding and tuition, so the scholarship link and the link to the course. McGill to this is what the funding link and then the scholarship link. So you can use this instead of going to Google. You can use this to filter or search for your funding pages and all that. All right, so the next thing you want to search is, some people ask me, how do I reach out for supervisor? Which supervisor is good for me to reach out to? So let's say I want to know the supervisors. All right, so supervisors who are currently accepting students. Okay, accepting students. So we can say, add links to their bio. All right, either their bio or their profile, and then it's going to run through and help you to search for supervisors. So instead of you going through long process Google, sometimes you don't get to see the list of faculties who are accepting students in some of these institutions. When you pass through this process, it's much easier. Sometimes it's just easy. It gives you a tailored response based on whatever you are searching for. It doesn't give you so much stress for you to now go round and be looking for, or and be tired, using Google. All right, so this is far better. All right, this is far better, and you can use it in several ways. So instead of, based on my research, I need to provide. So most Canadian universities do not publicly maintain lists of currently accepting students. So however, I can provide you with faculty links. So those are some of the things. Some of the schools that are accepting, they don't publicly disclose it. So these are links to a faculty directory. So you click on it, then you read about their research. If their research interests you, then you can open it up. All right, so these are a few faculties. So Abdul Fattah is what? Assistant professor in what? British Columbia. So these are lists of professors that, well, in case you want to do a Master of Science in Nursing in University of British Columbia, you can reach out to them. All right. So this is how you can search for what? School. You can search for what? Professors, and then you can search for funding. Yeah, the same thing you do on this place, you can also do it at the same as this place, ChatGPT. So here maybe I want to say, give me schools in the USA that offers full funding full funding in or or for masters in psychology. All right. So let's see. So there is list of schools or list of colleges. All right. But let's say I want public universities that admit international students. All right. So you search that, and then it's going to go through and then give you a public universities that gives you funding for studying or masters in psychology. Then let's say give me links to potential professors or potential um supervisors, all right, that I can reach out to. So you just have to put in the request, all right, the request, anything you want. So this is what University of Arizona, and then when you click on this link, this is going to open to the faculty page, and then you will go through, and then you can read about what the various faculties are working on, and if any of them interest you, then you can reach out to them. So here is the link. So instead of you going to Google to be struggling and all that, this is the simplified way that you can use to secure scholarship, to get professors, or to even know the kind of school you want to apply to. All right. All you need to do is that the kind of questions that you put there, just make sure that the question is simplified and ask that add links to it. And once you add the links to it, it's going to open it up for you. And then you can scroll through and read through. All right. So I don't want this video to be long, but what I want you to know is that even you can upload your documents. All right. You can upload, like, let's say your CV, or you can upload, let's say, let me see quickly if we have a resume that we can upload. Let's say CV. All right. So I'm just uploading my resume, and I say, based on my CV, recommend schools that I can apply to do fully funded PhD. All right. So I'm typing everything in caps. So um forgive me about that. So let's see what it will give me based on my CV. So now I'm asking the question, or I'm providing this prompt based on the kind of things I want. All right. So because I uploaded my um resume, and then my resume is up to date, it's going to tell me that, all right, so in case you are fully funded, here is it. University of Tennessee, very strong match for you, media journalism. All right, so then the University of Wisconsin Madison, fully funded, top ranked globally. Then we have Indiana University. So because I put my CV, it gives me direct access to the schools and the links and those that have funded. All right, so instead of me to go through and be struggling which states, which school, and all that, all you need to do is to come here with your question and then ask which of these do you want, and based on that you are going to get your response. All right, so I don't want this video to be long, and so I hope this short tutorial where you can use Claude AI and Chat GTP, both of them are both web based, and then some of them too you can get it on um your app store. You can get it on either Apple Store, or um Play Store. All right, so this is it. And then once you get it, sign up using your email, and then put in your command or your prompt. One thing you have to know though is that you are limited, all right, if you are using the free version. But if you are using the paid version, you have a lot of chances, or you have a lot of things that you can put in there. You can even say, okay, you know, tailor my email to this professor. But when you get that email, make sure that you tweak it so that it becomes very representative of you or reflective of you before you send it to the professor. So this is one way or the other that you can use AI for scholarship. You can use AI for looking for funding. You can use AI to look for what schools and potential supervisors abroad. So I hope this helps you, and then hopefully you recommend this channel to someone. If you like it, please like, share, and comment, and let me know if it works for you. If it doesn't work for you, I'll come back again and then do a further explanation. All right. So I'll see you next time in my next video or in my next practicals. Until then, please be persistent, keep working hard, and then hopefully I'll see you in your dream university soon. All right. Okay. Bye bye.